Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So Pastor Mukhuba's daughter Makadzi Ngobeni is fed up with her parents and is on social media airing their dirty laundries, you guys. Now she revealed that her father told her to part ways with them and leave them alone, which is what she did. And she also exposes her mother, Pastor Mukhuba, of always chasing her husband, basically begging for his attention. And now, oh, my cousin Gobeni, she is threatening to leak the secret that she knows about her mom now. And she says that she has proof of everything. So basically, she shared this post that has been now deleted on her Facebook page. So I am just going to go ahead and read the screenshots which I managed to find. I'm literally just trying to live my life, and yet my parents keep crossing my boundaries. Even though my father told me to part ways with him and his family multiple times, about 3 months ago, I finally agreed because one thing I will not do is chase after that man the way my mom does. Yet now she is continuing to try to sabotage me, and I'm getting sick of it. I literally bother no one and stay in my lane. What protects them is the secret I keep for them, and I'm getting to the point where if she doesn't leave me alone, I will start speaking out. I have proof of everything. Doneta, the abuse and the narcissism needs to stop, and I know I will be told that I'm a demon when I want. When I release what I know, we will see who's really friends. Nasatani. Since everyone thinks I am hacked, here's a still from a video of your loving mother 4 days before my wedding after she broke my door and tried to attack me. This is the only proof I am releasing now. If her minions report my account, I'll just go to bigger platforms with more incriminating evidence. And then under this comment, she shared a picture of a broken door, which she alleges that her mother is the one who broke the door trying to attack her, you guys. Well, there you have it. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. Bye.